Hello, my name is Restart. Welcome to FartyersIn.com, and today I'm going to have the pleasure to explain to you what's happening with Restart's Airbnb Wicklow Town and Farriers Inn, Avoca Wicklow. What a beautiful, beautiful location. It's an upscale project. I set up this business a few years ago, Restart's Airbnb Wicklow Town, to get the business model to such a state that I'll be able to upscale it then into a venue. And we're at that stage now. And thanks to Mr. Joe Tobin, who's participating in this beta experiment, basically, is where entrepreneurs in the hospitality industry have the opportunity to upscale their projects with the help of all of the existing premises that are closed. And there's lots of them out there today closed. And all they need is good operators. And there's plenty of good operators out there, and all they need is good investors. And if the line can be straight, everything will work out perfect. Let me tell you what's going on here. We've got the Gloucester, which is a beautiful dormitory on the top floor, first floor, and it'll be set out in such a way, we call it the miners' room. Because where are we? We're in Avoca, right nestled into underneath the miners' mines. One of the big cross is just looking down on top of us there, that big white cross, one of the tallest ones in Ireland. The miners' cross, that's right. Just beaming down there on top of us. And we're going to set up our glamping park there. And we're going to have festival weekends there. Also, I've got the organic farm shop going in there, with the cafe. And I'm going to set up, what I've been trying to set up for the last 7 years, is the home economics school. It's free for children up to the age of 9. It's brilliant. And it's online as well. So it's a kind of a bolster for, because you don't know which way the world's going to go today. So it's a kind of an online business, and it's the offline version. And just in case they close the world down, at least we can still go online and still see all our customers and clients. Isn't that fantastic? So we never know what's around the corner with our governments and states, as they say. But however, all we can do is do our best. So we've got an amazing project here, which is going to fly because it's in demand. It's all outdoors activities. The hikers love it. I've even set up a little animal shelter there for people that like to travel with their animals, and there's plenty of them. And they've been in my dwelling here, my Airbnb in Wicklow Town. There's no conditions. I've had people from all over the world, and I mean all over the world, come to my dwelling here in Wicklow Town. And it's been an absolute joy and brilliant to serve them. I love my guests and I love my customers, that they get exactly what their expectations is. And as a result of that, they've been very generous and very kind with their reviews. Overwhelmed me many times. Overwhelmed me. The kindness of people's hearts. And that's where I'm at. And that's where I'm staying. So, if you want to join us, we've got job opportunities coming as well. Woofers, if you're out there, there's an organic farm patch being put in here. There are horticultures. I've even taken on a chemist, yes. And he has his bachelor's and his master's. And he's in situ at the moment in my dwelling here, and we're getting ready. Yes, we're going to do the best we can and provide the services and the products that we can. Thanks for your time. Please share this. There's great opportunities here. And I'm doing a special offer for opening offer. So you can get a voucher there, €1,000 voucher, only €750. €2,000 accommodation voucher, only €1,500. Yeah, well, it's kind of 25% giveaway. So have a great day. Enjoy your Christmas, enjoy your New Year's, and thanks for stopping in. Share this video immediately now, please. Young entrepreneurs, old entrepreneurs, let's get this Ireland rocking and rolling again, hey?